Okay, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create these quizzes. I have my PowerPoint slides, and I choose one of them, and then I just copy what the students, the underlying materials, what the students have to write down and be accountable for on the quizzes. Copied that. I go to my assignments. I have copied, made a duplicate of the last quiz. Right, so I'm going to go into it. So I have a template. I just used the most recent quiz, change the name of it to the current date. I can show in another video how, why all three of these boxes are important. Click on build. Okay, so here's the last quiz. I'm just going to have one question. Click on it. Select the material. Paste. Then I'm going to make this word in the symbiotic. I'm going to allow misspelling. So you can click on close enough. I'll allow for these non-science majors, if they get it phonetically, it's all right. Then I'll do another word, cooperation. Same thing, I will make it case insensitive sometimes. And that's it. Okay, we're done. We can preview. And you can misspell endosymbiotic, and just leave that one blank. And let's see what comes up. All right. So it allows the misspelling here. It tells the student that they've gotten one of them wrong. They can take, again, they get 3 attempts. And that's it. Done. The scores go immediately into Gradebook. So I end up with over 100 of these. The pink indicates no shows, so it takes attendance as well. And then it gives the student and me their total score, running score all the time.